Air-Clips.com.
Jet 553, schönen Abend. Wind 350, 2 knots, 23 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 23 left, to Jet 553.
Vacate via Lima 7 and Pakistan will be Victor 76.
Victor 76 to vacate via Lima 7, to Jet 553.
This is almost where we left today. Gear down, flaps 15.
So Lima India 1850.
Check.
Now 7 knots tail.
Flaps 30. Speed ref +5. Landing checklist.
Landing. Engine start switches.
Continues.
Speed brake.
Armed.
Landing gear.
Down.
And flaps.
Certing aligned.
Landing checklist completed. Master caution anti-ice.
Okay.
Okay, it's overheat light as discussed before.
Side window left, correct?
Yeah, windshield air is on.
Check.
And I switch it to off as we read it in the checklist.
Affirm. So it's 11 knots tail.
1000 stable.
Check.
Yeah, 10 knots tail. On the ground it's just from the side.
Okay.
In case of missed approach we have to expect an early turn.
Yeah, I know there's an aircraft coming opposite.
Yeah,
you can actually see it.
You see the condor.
Yeah. Do an RP approach.
.500.
Check.
500.
12 knots tailwind.
Check.
Approaching minimums.
Check.
Minimums.
Landing.
So the wind is decreasing.
Check.
Speed brakes up. Reversers normal.
For manual brakes.
Auto brake disarm. 60. I have control.
You have control.
Jet 553, as cleared, Lima 7, Victor 76, good night.
Victor 76 via Lima 7, do Jet 553, Tito, ciao.
Airclips.com.